All right, so my boy Vito called me. His wife got stuck in the snow. We're gonna go ahead and get her out. Oh man, she went for a ride. How'd she even get over here? Oh, down through that way. Okay, I see it now.
Oh.
I bet you I could get it out just driving it.
No.
What's up, Courtney?
How the fuck did you do that?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. I hope it's not fucked up.
No, it ain't. She just hit it where it's soft. I'll tell you one thing. She went for a ride, though. She's still feeling that adrenaline. You want to try to just drive it out? I bet you. No, you can't drive this out.
Why does it have black shit? Is she leaking oil?
No, bro. It's probably just from the muffler just melting. So, well, I guess I could just pull it up over the hill. I'll just run a snatch block and just pull it out. Done deal.
Let me back this up.
Let me see. You want to play with it for a second? Let's see if that redneck skills you get it out. I'm calling you out, Vito. You can't get this car out of there by itself.
I don't know. It might be this close.
Damn! I'm hurting my ankle.
Oh my gosh. You need to put your boots on.
I want
Take the traction off.
Yeah, thank you. I'll call you later tonight when I get back. Yeah. Bye, Dad.
Come on, bro. Hit it. Go forward. Oh, no, she's playing it. Nah, you're going to just get it in deeper. Just leave it. All right, let's go. Get your little shovel and get it going. All right, go to work. Nice thing is there's still a lot of lane here, so cars are still going to have plenty of room to get by. So this shouldn't be too bad. Right there, and that's quite a bit of winching, so we'll get it. Come on, bro. I would have had that thing hooked up already by now.
Deep.
I love watching you rookies work.
I don't want to hook it to something that's...
Oh, come on, bro. Hey, wait, how can you control that?
What do you want to hook it to?
Control arm.
How can you get to it?
Sometimes you just gotta feel it out, bro. Yep, go.
Where do you go?
Hook that soft shackle to my toe strap. I like having help out here. It's nice. I'm always by myself doing stuff.
How do you hook that?
So you're gonna open that hole up basically by pushing it through the opposite way. There you go. Get that open.
Fucking frozen.
Yeah, it's frozen. There you go. Yeah, put it through there. I thought you had it through there already.
No.
See, you're really messing me up already. Now stick this part, skinny part through there. And then go ahead and get that. Then you slide it closed. That's a soft shackle.
That's pretty cool.
Come on, bro, just stick it in there.
Shut up.
Just spit on it, bro.
Frozen, bitch. That's pretty nice.
Oh shit. Where'd my remote go? All right, man. So we got to run this strap and the snatch block up to the tow truck, and then we'll get it pulled up. Hopefully I got no blind. It's gonna be close.
You got enough?
Oh,
Just enough.
oh, it barely reaches.
All right, I'm gonna go get it and put it in neutral, right?
Hold on.
Where's your gloves at?
Locked in. I don't need no gloves, bro. Barely had enough for it to clear. I'm all the way end of my spool right now, so let's go ahead. We're just gonna pull them straight out. See if my remote will reach. I hate running this much snatch block line because it's gonna get all bound up to one side. Winches probably barely hear me talk. Oh yeah, no problem, man. That was fun.
Man, that was rough. I was nervous.
We were just having some fun.
I know.
I was just having fun.
Listen, I'm just getting warmed up.